talking about your job. Hi, Jack. Welcome back to Happy Smile English. Today, I want to talk about something simple but important, our jobs. My job is fun, but also a little tiring sometimes.
Hi, Emma. That sounds interesting. I want to talk about my job too. Sometimes I like it, and sometimes I want to run away from it.
Really? Tell me more. What do you actually do at your job, Jack?
I work in a small office. I answer emails and help customers every day. It is not difficult, but it is very busy.
That sounds stressful. Do you talk to customers all day?
Yes, almost all day. Some customers are very kind, but some are angry for no reason. I just smile and try to help.
You are brave. I would feel nervous talking to angry customers. I like talking to people, but not angry ones.
I understand. Sometimes I want to hide under my desk, but my boss walks around, so I can't hide.
Your boss sounds serious. Is he strict?
He is nice, but he talks a lot. He explains things again and again. I understand the first time, but he keeps talking.
Maybe he wants to be sure you do a good job. What is the best part of your job?
Lunch break. I'm serious. I feel free for 1 hour. I eat slowly and pretend time stops.
I like lunch break too, but in my job, I also enjoy recording videos and teaching English. It makes me happy.
Your job sounds fun. You smile a lot when you work. I think your students like you.
I hope so. I like helping people learn, but sometimes editing videos takes many hours.
Editing looks difficult. I tried it once. After 10 minutes, I gave up.
It takes patience, but when the video is done, I feel proud. Do you ever feel proud at your job?
Yes, when I help someone solve a big problem. They say thank you, and I feel like a hero.
That's great. Everyone needs moments like that at work. It makes the job feel meaningful.
True, but sometimes I wish I had a more exciting job. Something creative, like your job.
You can be creative too. Maybe at work you can suggest new ideas or better ways to help customers.
Maybe. I want to improve myself, but first, I need more coffee. My brain works slowly today.
Coffee is a good idea. I need one too. Talking about jobs makes me feel hungry and tired at the same time.
Same here, but I like this conversation. It makes me think more about my own work.
Jack, you said you sometimes want a more exciting job. What kind of job do you dream about? Something creative?
Yes, maybe something with art or design. I like drawing simple pictures. They are not perfect, but they make me happy.
That sounds nice. Have you ever thought about learning graphic design? There are many easy courses online.
I thought about it, but then I got scared. New things always feel difficult at the beginning.
I understand. When I started making videos, I was scared too, but little by little, I learned.
You make it look easy. When you talk in your videos, you look very confident.
Thank you, but I was not confident at first. My voice was shaking and I made many mistakes.
Really? I don't believe it. Now you sound like a professional speaker.
Practice helps a lot, just like your job. After many emails, you became faster and better.
That's true. I type fast now. Sometimes too fast. And I send the wrong message.
Oh no! What do you do then?
I write again and say, "Sorry, I typed too fast." Most people laugh and understand.
That's good. At least your job lets you talk to many different people.
Yes, I meet new people every day. Some people are very friendly and tell me stories about their lives.
That sounds interesting. You learn many things from customers.
Yes, but sometimes they talk too much. I want to listen, but I also need to finish my work.
I know that feeling. When I talk to students, sometimes they ask many questions and the lesson becomes very long.
Do you ever get tired?
Yes, of course. Teaching is fun, but it uses a lot of energy. After filming, I just want to sleep.
Me too. After a busy day at the office, I feel like a robot with low battery.
What do you usually do after work to relax?
I listen to music or watch funny videos. They help me forget stress and bad emails.
Good idea. I also like to take a short walk. It clears my mind.
A walk sounds nice. Maybe I should try it. My body sits too much at work.
Yes, sitting all day is not good. Even a 10-minute walk helps a lot.
I'll try that tomorrow. Maybe I will feel more fresh and ready for work.
I think so. Small habits can change our job life a lot.
You're right. Talking with you makes me think more about improving my work and myself.
Jack, you said you sometimes want to change your job someday, or try something new?
Maybe, yes. I want a job that feels more creative. I want to feel excited when I wake up in the morning.
That sounds like a good goal. You don't need to change everything right away. You can start with small steps.
Small steps are easier. Maybe I can learn design for just 10 minutes a day.
Exactly. 10 minutes is enough to build a new skill. I started the same way with video editing.
But Emma, what about you? Do you want to change your job in the future?
Not really change, but I want to grow. I want to make better videos and help more learners.
I think you will. Your videos are clear, simple, and fun. Many people enjoy them.
Thank you. I also want to work with other teachers someday. Maybe create a full English course.
That sounds amazing. If you make a course, I will join and be your first student.
You already speak well, but I can teach you pronunciation and more vocabulary.
Yes, please. My pronunciation is sometimes confused. Even my dog looks at me strangely.
That's cute, but you're improving. Talking about jobs in English is not easy, and you did great today.
Thank you. This conversation helped me think about what I want in the future.
Do you want your future job to be in an office or maybe somewhere different?
I think somewhere different. Maybe a studio, a workshop, or a place where I can make things.
That fits you. You like creating. Maybe you can design posters, logos, or simple animations.
I want that. It feels fun. It feels like me.
Then start slowly. Learn a little every day. In 1 year, you will be surprised by your progress.
I hope so. And I hope I will be brave enough to keep going.
You will. I can support you. We can talk about your progress each week.
Thank you, Emma. Talking with you always gives me confidence.
I'm happy to hear that. Work is important, but feeling happy is more important.
Yes. I want a job that makes me smile every day, not only on Fridays.
You will find it, Jack. Just take one small step at a time.
I will. And thank you for the talk today. It helped me a lot.
You're welcome. See you next time on Happy Smile English.
See you, Emma. And tomorrow I will start my 10-minute design practice.